Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on the Hunter Kennewick ceiling fan. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Alright, so we purchased this ceiling fan from Lowe's. Yes, it carries the Hunter name on it. It's the Kennewick Indoor Large Room 52-inch low profile mounting. All right, so that means it's really higher to the ceiling, especially for low ceiling. These are the ones to look for. It's marketed as a sure speed, fast cooling power, through over 33% higher air velocity. And that's the model number and item number. I'll put it in the description if you're interested. I just want to do a video on this one because I think it's a beautiful fan. LED light bulbs included, whisper wind motor, wobble free, silent spin, no light option is available. So we're gonna install the light. So I guess you could probably skip it, I guess. Okay, I will not put the price on there because you might get a sale or something, but it's $130 some odd dollars around there, the ballpark. Okay, you can use it for the master bedroom, kitchen, the mounting option, the speed, the light, LED. There's 3 LED bulbs included. Control type, you can have full chain. So there's a lot of different features. This is basically a 3-speed custom air movement. This is limited lifetime warranty. I've never yet to claim a lifetime warranty, so just keep that in mind. The fan dimensions are over here. All right, of course, this is about where it's made. The profile, that's the size. 8.15 inches if you count it from the B, and the C is 15.31. Once again, that's the model number and item number. It's a beautiful fan, and I'm going to show you once installed. I'm not going to go through the installation because that would make this video really long, and people are here just to look at the video. So, and you can see that it has 3 LED lights, and yes, those are glass, they're not plastic, and it's in really thick glass for the lights, so it's really good quality. The chains are labeled. The fan one is on the outside, the inside one near the center is actually for the light, so that's the difference in them. Okay, so we're gonna go through the motions over here, and let me see if I could start. All right, so basically there's a super fast speed, and there's a medium, and there's a slow. So you're only gonna pull it 3 times. The 4th time you pull it, it'll stop it. So let's start over here. So that's the super fast speed. You can see it spinning over here, and it's really quiet. I didn't filter any noise or anything in the background. You don't see a wobbling, right? So yeah, it's so much better quality than the previous ones. So the older fans, you probably noticed, used to have a lot of wobble over the years. Hunter one is actually a very premium brand, and I noticed that the quality of the glass, the material, and everything is good quality. So you put it again, and it's gonna go a little bit slower. So the medium to slow is probably like what I really wanted, unless it's really warm or super hot outside or inside a place, then you might want to consider having it at the option 1, which is the most high intensity. So, and you don't see hear any rattle or anything that in particular. It doesn't wobble. Very solid piece. So definitely installation, I could tell from my experience, is pretty easy. But the documentation in the booklet is still not very refined. It could be a little bit more refined, especially if you're doing the one with the light option, which we're using. But for our case, it was black wire to black wire, white to white. Then of course, the ground is the green and the green stripe one. The red and blue were together in that case. If you're doing with the light, 2 light switch control. Okay, so my particular setup is 2 light switch control, and the plate actually also shares with the outside light. So I'm gonna share that to you, but you can see the color and how it looks. I think the color and looks are beautiful. The light you can actually turn on and off, and also go do it from the pool ones over here, and or you can turn it from the switch. So switch is probably easier, but the chains are not that long. That's one thing I mentioned. Wish it a little bit longer. Your mount is still pretty high overall, so that's something to note. Okay, I'm gonna show you. All right, so this is the light. All right, so 2 switch. Why you say I have 3 over here? Because that controls the outside door. So, and you turn off, everything goes off. Very good quality, very good looking product. If you're looking for something that's quiet and cools you down, reasonable price overall, then this is the one. So that's a beautiful fan, and 52 inches, meant for a big room. So what's included also, you got the installation manual, and I'm going to show you they also have a kit for like a balancing kit if you need to use that, right? And but I never needed to use it. It wasn't off balance at all. And also, this is the light bulb that's included. Note that if you're looking for the LED bulb, so you need to look at this one in particular. It's 4.5 watt and 3000 K lumens. All right, so note that if you're buying it from Lowe's or Home Depot or Amazon or wherever, right? So that's pretty much it. Notice that some of the ceiling fans look good nowadays, are more modern and also better in the past. Hopefully you like this video. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment, to share. Please leave it below. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.